In today's video, we're taking a look at how to install the Keurig Universal Reusable Filter easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do. Everything that we use on the video, we're gonna leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot, thank you. So you woke up today and want to make some coffee. You notice you ran out of pods, but you still have a lot of ground coffee. It's the same thing like yesterday when you woke up, you had a lot of dreams, but no money. I mean, you have all the tools necessary, and not only that, you can become everything that you want. We believe in you. Here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. A train ride away, then a bus, a couple of blocks, but we have it. So in this particular video, we're using the Keurig Universal Reusable Coffee Filter. If you want to check out a non-brand generic version, we'll leave a link in the description for that video. And this is everything that we get in the box today. We have the filter holder with the 2.0 series brewer adapter already attached, the filter basket, the lid with the red lid plug already attached. And this particular system will work for any Keurig K-Pod machine, a Series 1 and a Series 2. No matter the size, the color, or even if you don't even have one. And you're watching this for the comedic value. We salute you. Also on the box, we have the barbecue paper, the owner's manual. So if we notice under the lid, we have a red plug that according to the owner's manual should be removed when cleaning and placed back when in use. And also according to the manufacturer, it could be cleaned using a dishwasher, only on the top rack. You can also clean it by hand using warm soapy water. Next, we have the filter holder. So if you notice, it has a gray adapter, which is the 2.0 series adapter, which is only used for Keurig machines 2.0, meaning if your machine is not a 2.0, then we would go ahead and remove this. If it is a 2.0 machine, we would leave it just as it is. In this particular case, we're using a Keurig Slim machine with a cold brew button version, which is not 2.0 series, meaning that we're gonna go ahead and remove the gray adapter. And remember, if yours is a 2.0, you would leave it in. The first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the K-Cup pod holder from the brewer, and this is the first thing that you see once you open the machine. And remember, always be careful when handling the open machine because there are needles in the system. And the last thing you want on a clear sunny day is to die, and especially before your coffee. This is the part of the video where you show the whole world what your body can do, that all that hidden muscle has brought you to this day. You might have to use a little bit of strength to pull it out. Well, we noticed that the best way to remove it is pushing from the bottom and holding at the top at the same time as we pull to remove. Always remembering to be careful because there is a needle at the top and there's a needle inside of the holder. Now that you broke your machine, that you lowered the Keurig's value, we're ready for the next step. And remember, you can always put the holder back at any time when you want to use a regular K-Pod. Installing it will be a lot easier because you only have to make sure that it's aligned and push it down. And to do that, what you want to make sure that the letters are at the bottom, basically that you can read them correctly, and you push down. Now we're ready to make some coffee. We want to disassemble our reusable filter, and now we can fill it with our favorite ground coffee. And this particular one that we're using is freshly grounded French roast. You're gonna notice inside the filter basket a line that marks max. You don't want to go over that line. And to make the installation process a lot easier, what we want to do, you're gonna see a marking on the filter holder which has a white dot with a little tab, and we usually want this facing towards us. Because of the tab, you would always know which way to install it. We go ahead and insert our filter basket. If you have a 2.0 series machine, it will be a lot easier to remember to which side it goes because the gray brewer adapter is going to be on the same side as the dot. Now we're going to bring our lid with the red lid plug already pre-installed, and what you're basically going to notice that on the flat side of the circle of the lid, you're going to notice two images. One on the left, that's a picture of an open lock, and then to the right, the picture of a closed lock, meaning that open starts at the left and close starts at the right. So this means that we're going to place the lid lid on the unlock side and then twist it to the lock side. And what you want to make sure before you twist to the lock position, you want to make sure that the lid is seated down all around, because the last thing you want is coffee everywhere and go from a hero to a villain in the household. Now we're ready to bring our coffee to the machine. Once again, we want to make sure that when we install it, the letters are facing our way, meaning also that the flat side of the circle is facing our side and the arrow at the back is facing forward. As you can see here, if you have a 2.0 machine, the brewer adapter, the gray bar, it's always going to be under the dot, meaning it will be a lot easier just to remember to what side the lid goes. But like stated before, that little tab is going to guide you, and the muscle memory of doing coffee every day is going to guide you to glory. A pro tip, one thing that we notice when installing the lid, let's say if you don't have it correctly, you're going to notice it doesn't want to go in easily, but when you have it correctly, it just goes in easily. And now you're basically done. You can close the machine and set it to the amount of coffee that you want, and just admire as that liquid bubbly gold, I mean, that's another video. We can see as that liquid black gold comes down. Now you've done it. You leveled up your coffee game and become a coffee whisperer of this universe. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.